As I said, the domestic civil aviation operations will be permitted with effect from 25th May to a limited extent of the required and approved capacity of the summer schedule 2020, as I'm going to list out. For operations from metro to metro cities, 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. So approved 1/3 would be more, 33.333%. So most of you had your range correct. Those who said 30% hoga ya 35% hoga. And I kept saying, well, I can point you in the direction. I mean, exact percentage, we'll have to wait for the announcement. For operations from metro to non-metro cities and vice versa, where the weekly departures are greater than 100, 1/3 of the capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. For operations from metro to non-metro cities and vice versa, where the weekly departures are less than 100, airlines are free to operate any routes of the 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. For all other cities, airlines are free to operate any routes of the 1/3 capacity of the approved summer schedule 2020. When I use the word metro cities, this means Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Kolkata. This order, which is being issued today, and the airlines' operations will commence on Monday the 25th. This shall remain in force till 23:59 hours, Indian Standard Time, on 24th August 2020. So this is I will give you all that. I'll give you all that. Let me finish. I'll take questions also. हिंदी में भी बता दूंगा. ये जो ऑर्डर है, I'll come back to all that, including in Hindi.
Please wait. Everything will be explained to you.
And everything is being uploaded on our website, so there will be no doubt. मैं आपको ये भी जानकारी देना चाहता हूं कि एयरपोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ने डिटेल्ड गाइडलाइंस और एसओपीज जो है और जो सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स हैं जरूरी, उनके जो प्रोटोकॉल्स बनाए गए हैं, जहां पे हमारे नागरिक रहते हैं वहां से जाके हवाई अड्डे तक, हवाई अड्डे के अंदर, हवाई जहाज के अंदर, और जहां पे पोर्ट ऑफ डिसएम्बार्केशन है वहां से हवाई अड्डे से डेस्टिनेशन. नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव यू अ फ्लेवर, देन वील टेक द डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन. जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले कहा कि जो डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट है सोमवार 25 मई को, 1/3 ऑपरेशंस जारी किए जाएंगे. हवाई अड्डे पे देयर विल बी नो फिजिकल चेक इन, ओनली ए वेब चेक इन विल बी अलाउड. ए सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन और आरोग्य सेतु ऐप स्टेटस on a compatible device would also be obtained that the passenger is free of COVID-19 symptoms. Passengers जिनका red status हो इस ऐप पे, they will not be allowed to travel. Passengers will be required to wear protective gear, face mask, and to carry sanitizer bottles. Airlines shall not provide meal services on board. Water bottles will be made available in the gallery area or on the seats. The cabin crew will be required to be in full protective gear, full protective suit. Only one check-in bag will be allowed. Passengers should report at least 2 hours before the departure time. On arrival at the destination, the traveling passengers will have to adhere to such health protocols as are prescribed by the destination state or union territories, and fares will be regulated and should be within a fixed range.